Here at Value Village.
We haven't thrifted in a few days.
We haven't thrifted in a few days. But
We're back at it, you guys.
I was sick. I don't know if it was COVID. Might have been, but might have not been.
Me too. I was sick right before you.
But we don't have a law where you have to stay home anymore if you have COVID. We can spread it the way we want.
It was definitely a cold though. Like it was.
I lost my taste, but then it came back. So I don't know.
It's just the like sort of season for it too, and just like a lot of people are getting it. So
I felt like shit though for like a few days.
I couldn't like the first 2 days. I'm like just didn't want to get out of bed in the morning. It was just so bad.
So it's probably not COVID if I'm better after 4 days.
No, well I mean like even with that, like I guess if you did have COVID, holy moly, they're racing through the slot. It doesn't like it can wear off and you might still have it. But
that's true.
I don't know. Who knows nowadays, right? But as long as you're feeling good, go out. You know?
Yes. Spread the joy, spread the COVID. They have this coach, but there's just too much wear on the straps. It's $20. So, no to that. So they want $25. Hello. For this. With no plaque.
Oh my god. Wait, what is that?
Coach, but there's no plaque on it. They took it off. So.
Oh, like on the front?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, right here. So what holds these in? Like these little metal things?
Uh-huh.
Interesting. Never really got to see underneath one. No. You want a pink metal laundry basket?
Pink metal laundry basket?
Actually, don't judge me. It probably...
Maybe you should be giving me Polly Pockets like Adam. Ew, that's disgusting.
It's all dirty.
That's like 80s.
70s. You want to go showcase? Did you check showcase?
I did. I remember having a phone like that. That was like one of my first cell phones. So I really like this bag. It's the Coach Op Art. $30 isn't a bad deal on it. It's just the handles have some cracking on the glazing. There's some lightening of the leather, and then inside is a little filthy. Otherwise, if it didn't have that, we probably would have popped on this, guys. See, that whole dirt on the edge right there is just problematic. But if it was in better condition, we would have picked it up. Daniel's getting hangers.
For my event. These are cool.
Do you want to show the guest jacket?
This thing's so sweet.
I love all the torn.
Look at this. The detail on this one's so cool. Like I like that they shredded like the right side and then the left sleeve is shredded too. But it's like a. I'm pretty sure this is the 80s main can, I guess.
Oh yeah,
it's a nice color. It's
definitely
like
80s.
I don't know if you can see the camera, but it's like a blue. Like even show them the detail back here. Like look at that.
Yeah.
It's so.
And it could be unisex.
It is, yeah.
Women's large, men's medium.
I would say so. I'll try it on to let you guys know after, but it's a nice jacket.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for sure.
You got the matching jeans, made in USA in Canada.
Made in Canada, just like the other ones.
Exactly like that.
Exactly like it. Goes with the pants. These are with the jacket.
They're like mom high rise.
Yeah.
So they're on trend right now.
These are a darker color than the jacket too, so it would just be perfect. I feel.
Yeah.
Like a double look.
These are good prices.
Yeah.
Yeah. Daniel's digging.
Stain on it, though. But it's crusty. I think you can get it out.
Oh yeah.
And then this is cool, just the maple leaf center, mini center swoosh,
Ooh.
mini neck swoosh, whatever you want to call it. All these swooshes. So much Nike. And then the worker came by and she's like, "Do you want this?" It's hilarious.
Oh, Pokemon.
Little
That's cool.
Pokemon, little plaque thing. But
Oh.
yeah, that's funny. Pretty cool.
Nice. everyone, welcome back to the channel. We went thrifting today and I want to show you what we got. It was a pretty decent day. I haven't been thrifting in about 4 days. I was super sick over the weekend. Not COVID, I don't think. Still getting better, but whatever. All my symptoms pretty much went away. I had like a little bit of a cough, a runny nose. I'm thinking though it was my allergies really inflamed, because I've had before where change of season, daylight is longer, spring is in the air, and then all that stuff that we went through the bags was probably all dusty, and it aggravated my sinuses and my allergies, and I got super sick. So that's what I'm going to attribute to. So, okay, so we ran into Adam. Adam, if you're watching this video, thank you. We ran into him at the thrift store, and then he said he had something for me. I was like, oh, Adam has something for me? Oh my goodness, oh my girl. And then he handed me this Polly Pocket. Oh, it's so sweet of him. Adam is the brother of one of my, well, I follow her on Instagram and she follows me, but we know each other through online. Prairie Sparkles and her mother. So they're kind of all, you know, they're all intertwined and connected. But he picked up this. I've actually had this Polly Pocket before, but it was missing one piece. And this one has the missing piece. So, yeah. So this is the one. I thrifted this one and it was missing this part of the slide, but now it's complete with the little figures. And he could have easily sold this, but he gave it to me. So thank you so much, Adam. I really appreciate it. I'm glad I got to talk to him more. He's one of the regulars at Thrifts, and whenever we see him or whenever I see him, I kind of just, you know, just say hi, how's it going? We've never really conversed long before, but he is someone that I know of and someone that I've interacted with, and then I know his family, so it's kind of like I know him, but I don't really know him. But this was very, very sweet of him to do, so thank you so much, Adam. I really appreciate it. It's the complete Polly Pocket set. This one is from 1990. So I told him that I wasn't going to sell it, and since it's a complete set, I'm going to keep it with my collection. So thank you so much, Adam. His Instagram is 204 Surreal Style. So I had an exchange to do, so I exchanged this. It's a Scentsy Warmer. I like this one because it's black. You know, black is good. We love black. And it was $7.99, but then I used a $2 off coupon and I did an exchange, so I really paid nothing for it. But yeah, it's a Scentsy Warmer. I do love warmers. They're better than candles, in my opinion, because they don't burn. And the scent isn't as like chemically to me anyway, the Scentsy ones. So we got that. I don't know if we're gonna sell it or keep it. We picked up, okay, one thing that we picked up was this. It was in a bag that was $3.99, but I didn't want everything in the bag, so I just took this out and redonated everything in the bag, and they gave me a 20% off coupon for my donation. So that's kind of cool. But this, we love this. L'Occitane is one of my favorite skincare soap, bath and body stuff. Their shit is expensive, hella expensive. But this soap alone retails for $11. This little thing. So we pretty much paid $4 less 20% off. Thought it was a deal, and I'm not selling this. I'm keeping it in my collection. So L'Occitane Savon Shea Lavender. I don't actually have the lavender one, so hello. This bag I was tossed up upon, but I ended up getting it anyway. It's from a brand called BB Simon. From my research, all of these crystals are Swarovski apparently, but it's all adorned on the strap. One side crystal, other side leather, and then the front is this beautiful calf hair. It's so nice. And then you have all these crystal on the front, and you have a couple of crucifixes. So hello, if you're going to Transylvania and you need a crucifix, you have to carry one on your bag, and you can like make sure the vampires stay a distance from you. So that's a reason alone to get this bag. But oh, it's so beautiful. This reminds me of purse tripping. I feel like this is a purse tripping bag. And I love the detail inside. Even has this trim right here of the cat hair, and then the little label has the Swarovski all over it too. This is so well made. And the interior is like a microfiber suede. We paid $17 less 20% off. So that was a really nice one right there. Hold on, Daniel's messaging me on Snapchat, so let's see what he wants. What did he find? What did he find? Why is he smirking and laughing? Smirking and laughing.
You gotta get really close for this. You gotta get really, really close.
Do I want to play a game?
Okay, ready? You get 3 guesses on what the bag is.
Oh, it's a bag?
It's a purse.
Playboy.
I know I'm gonna win this. What?
Playboy.
No, it's for you. It's something you would. You want that as your guess? Fine. You get 2 more guesses.
Is it luxury or designer?
Designer. Well, actually, I don't know.
Coach.
No.
And one more guess.
You're not gonna get it, so I know I'm gonna win this.
Well, what's the letter start with?
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
How about the last letter of it?
E. Right?
E.
Yeah. You're not gonna get it.
Kate Spade.
Are you ready?
Right.
It's probably, I mean, you might not want it, but you might want it.
Oh, Judy and Burke. Oh, yeah.
Got you on it. I knew this.
You don't want it?
No.
Are you sure?
Look at the price.
Whoop.
She just put it out and I snatched it.
Nice. Yay, thank you.
I know I bought that because I know that brand. Something. It's in decent style. That's why I want you to
Thank you. I appreciate it.
But you lost.
I
So
lost.
if this was Saw, you would have died.
Yeah. Might as well. I'm gonna look if if the purse strap is there. This is a good one, so thank you.
She put out 2 other purses. She put out this made in Italy genuine leather bag, no brand. And then there was another one, but I can't find it.
See, that's why we love thrifting with Daniel, because he helps us. He gets us shit we want.
He did not expect me.
No.
Where the hell did this come from?
Okay. So we had to run inside because Daniel spotted a bag that he thought I would like, and he was correct. I did like it. We played a game, I lost. Judy and Burke for $7.20, motherfucker. $7.20. You can't go wrong with Judy and Burke. Inside is lit AF, clean AF, authentic AF. And yeah, so we got that. So thank you, Dad. That's why we thrift together. That's why Daniel and I thrift together, because he spots something I want, I spot something he wants, and when we just give and take. Okay, so a little bit of rubbing on the corners, but nothing major. It's pretty good for $7. I ain't gonna complain. This bag we picked up for $22, I think. How much was this? $24. It's vintage Michael Kors East West Hamilton. Now the straps are deformed, like I had a baby with my sister deformed kind of thing. We're gonna try and straighten that out. It seems like it's been sitting long like that, but other than that, the bag is in excellent condition. There's a little bit of a gus. What's that in English? Gus. A little bit of a scrape right here, but I mean it's vintage Michael Kors. It's not. This can easily be fixed. I'll push it back down. But it is the East West Hamilton from Michael Kors, all leather, gold hardware. Like I said, the handles are effing deformed, but we're gonna try and fix that straight. Probably get like a clip and like do that or something, but it is literally deformed AF. It had been sitting like that for years on end probably, but we're gonna have to figure out some way to reform the handles. I thought it was a good deal for $26. So Michael Kors East West Hamilton, pretty good condition. So yeah, we got that. And the last bag that we got was a luxury bag. I mean, I should be a little bit more excited about it, but whatever, it is what it is. But we picked up this. It's an MCM. I guess it's like a Boston bag. I don't know, but it is MCM. There are some scuffing on the plaque. It was only $8, so it was super cheap. And inside was nice. It was nice as well. So it's I mean, these sell, I see on Poshmark for like $300, $400. I see them on Facebook Marketplace for like $250, $300. So the fact that you only spent like $8, I'll take it all the way home, okay? And it's in great condition too. So Daniel thought it was god ugly, but what does he know? Well, actually, he knows a lot. He found the Dooney and Burke. Anyway, yeah, that's all that we got today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which item I thrifted is your favorite. My favorite is probably the Dooney and the M. I don't know. I don't know what my favorite is. Nothing really sticks out. But everything will be for sale. So if you're interested, send me a message on Instagram, Msfili. Don't forget to check out Cashback, GoCashBack. That's a program that if you go shopping online, you use GoCashBack as your platform, and then you go shopping as regular online. But the link to that, also the information to GoCashBack, will be on the down bar below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're, like I said, if you're interested in anything, send me an email, msfili@hotmail.com. Send me a message on Instagram, Msfili, or if you're interested in anything that you saw Daniel have, message him on Instagram or message me and I'll get in touch with him. But I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to remain positive, productive, and progressive. Keep manifesting those dreams, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.